ये खून पसीने की कमाई हुई रोटी से एक मिनट है डायलॉग। हाँ, ये ताकत खून पसीने के पैसों की कमाई रोटी की है। हाँ, ये ताकत खून पैसों के।
Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So this is our third day at Mahabaleshwar and we are visiting this Veena Lake place. So where there is this garden and then Veena Lake. Since we arrived little early, so we went to this park first and then we'll go to the lake. So lake you can see from the park itself. So this is the lake and it's amazing. The park itself is very big. So we just visited some places like there were children's garden and lake sides, and there are some places where you can sit and watch the lake. So just imagine sitting here in the evening time watching the sunset and the lake. It will be wonderful. There were this kind of cave, and initially we thought not to go inside, then we went inside there are some sitting areas. It looks incredible, though it wasn't so clean. Further there were many sitting places. It's approx 4:30. Now we'll go to the Veena Lake. Backside of the Veena Lake there are numerous stalls and where you can buy so many snacks, different kind of snacks. However, they are quite costly. It's a hill station, so you can imagine in this way that whatever the items are there, the prices are just double the prices are in the main city. And there are horse riding spot too. There are other horse riding spots as well. Still, it was quite early and sunny, so we thought to have snacks and then we'll go for the boating. Finally, we bought this paddle boat within rupees 900 for 2 hours. There are 4 places to sit, but we were 3 of us, so they gave us this boat and we rode it. It wasn't difficult, but it was really enjoyable because the breeze was quite cool and it looked sunny outside, but it was cool, nice.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move.
This was the first time when I was sitting in the paddle boat and we enjoyed a lot. So there were different kinds of paddle boat, small and big sizes, and we were enjoying too much. Initially we had to learn how to give the direction because it was completely opposite. If you want to take right, then you have to move left and vice versa. Entire way continuously we were singing and enjoying a lot, but it was too crowded and a lot of wave and other noise were there, so we can't keep the audio.
If I think of you and all the shit you don't do, well I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you.
Entire journey from the starting point to the ending point, they both were riding. So I was kind of just sitting and enjoying because they were just 2 pedals. But while coming back, I rode it too. And then Vansika enjoyed a lot. Within just 20 minutes, we covered half of the lake. Now we have one big task to do. So there are these 2 trees and we have to take our boat from between them. So right now me and Rudvaya are riding and let's see how we are achieving this goal. Let's go.
I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I...
Yeah! We have come between these two! This is the victory!
can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do.
ये मजदूर का हाथ काट दिया, लोहा पिघला के आकार बदल देता है। ये ताकत खून पसीने के पैसों से कमाई रोटी की है।
आगे
डायलॉग चलाता। मेरी मम्मी का नाम गंगा है, इसलिए मैं उनके लिए डायलॉग बोलूंगा। कसम गंगा मैया की, घर में घुस के मारूंगा, सातों को साथ मारूंगा, एक साथ मारूंगा। और मेरे साथ मामा थे।